Hello, I'm Kush Patel from Infinity Innovations and Experience Expeditions, and this is the 101 Essentials for turning a hotel website into a revenue generating machine, an ultimate guide for hoteliers to consistently generate more bookings, grow profits, and eventually break free from the OTA dependence. I invite you to join this macro expedition to explore Essential number 99, Wedding Engine. Your extraordinary property has the potential for more wedding business, but it is not generating the kind of wedding bookings you know it should. Weddings are not only joyous and blissful bashes for couples in love, they are a big reason for hoteliers to celebrate as well. Besides being a massive revenue generator, they expose new potential guests to your property and get shared like crazy on social media as well. They bring additional revenues by providing group room blocks during slow periods. So don't just limit writing a section about weddings on the general event space or just creating a page on your existing website. It may work for a few, but for properties aspiring to be destination for dream weddings, you need to accelerate your property by installing the wedding engine. Just as you need an experience engine to lead your hotel business, you have to build a wedding engine to consistently generate more wedding bookings, maximize your profits, and leverage your destination. In the next post of this series, I'm going to help you explore how to get flooded with MICE inquiries. Meanwhile, make sure you download the free checklist of 101 Essentials to turn your hotel website into a revenue generating machine as well.